Here's a great scenario. You just landed 5 new projects, but guess what? It's just you running the projects. How are you going to figure this one out? I have the plan for you. This is what you're going to do. You're going to create what we call microteams. So instead of 50 different subcontractors, what we like to do and what we do practice is we create microteams. And what I mean by microteams is, imagine you are just starting the project. Well, we need the framer to know the steel fabricator, to know the foundation person, and they all need to play really well in the sandbox. Okay, so this is how it really plays out. The frame is up, now we're ready for mechanicals. So we have a meeting on site, project manager, with the plumber, with the electrician, with the HVAC person, and with the low voltage. Before anybody starts anything, we sit in this frame and we walk each room and we say, okay, plumber, that's your pipe running this way. HVAC person, do you have a conflict here? Electrician, do you have a conflict here? Because guess what? The pipe gets the first spot because water has to drain downhill. So HVAC can route around that, electricians can route around that, the plumbers won that battle. Now, another scenario. Recess cans are placed very specifically according to a lighting plan in the ceiling. Guess what? Electricians win that one. HVAC folks, how can you route around this? Fire sprinkler people, how can you route around this? Low voltage, what's your route? So we walk room by room by room and we really nail down the conflict areas and who gets the priority. So that's an example of how we start a project with a micro team, how we work through a project with a micro team, how we communicate as a micro team, and now guess what? They're set up to do their work very, very clearly. They aren't asking me 1,000 questions about routing. We do it one time. So again, instead of having 50 subcontractors, now we have 7 micro teams. Let's talk about the finishes. The drywall person knows the cabinetry person who loves the painter, and they all work together as one team. And the advantage of this is that, one, they can look each other in the eye and tell them where they're working and why. They can tell them when there's an issue and they work directly with each other to resolve that issue. They're not on the phone calling the builder, waiting for the builder to then call the other trade who then gets to the job site 4 days later. There's a time efficiency going on here. All of these micro moves with these micro teams save projects money, they save projects time. You can focus on your clients rather than chasing people around all day and putting out fires. This is a really, really healthy system that I've practiced for many, many years, and our team also practices. So there's your plan, go for it.